In this tutorial, we're going to learn how to play Buttercup by Jack Stauber. Here's a demo of what that song sounds like. Let you find my heart, oh, oh. Let you find my heart, oh, oh, oh. Hey, welcome back to this channel. If you have your ukulele on you and it's in the standard tuning of G, C, E, A, let's dive right into this tutorial. Also, you're invited to be a part of my ukulele community on Patreon. It's called the U Crew, and there you'll have access to chord charts, exclusive tutorials, and other opportunities to strum along with you players around the world. So join the family. Just click on my link in the description box below, and I hope to see you there. And finally, I want to thank Enya Music for allowing me to showcase this concert-sized Nova ukulele, which not only sounds great and plays easy, but also comes with an amazing package. I mean, when you buy it, it comes with a gig bag, a strap, a capo, and a set of strings and a set of picks. It makes for the perfect beginner setup. And so if you want to get your hands on this model, then click on the link in my description box below. Next, there's two chords that we need to know in order to play Buttercup, and those chords are G major and D6. Now, if you already know how to play those two chords, then great job. Feel free to skip ahead. Otherwise, let's break down these chords together. So the first chord for the song is G major. To play that, take your first finger, press down on the third string of the second fret, take your second finger, press down on the first string of the second fret, then take your third finger and press down on the second string of the third fret. This is G major. And the last chord for the song is D6. To play that, just take your first finger and press down on all four strings of the second fret. This is D6. Now we're going to learn the strumming pattern for this entire song. It's just going to be down, down, up, down, up. Let's play through that strumming pattern now on the G major chord. 1, 2, G major, down strum, ready, play. Down, down, up, pause, up, down, down, up, pause, up, down, up, pause, up, down, up, pause, up, down, up. Now we're going to learn the chord progression for this entire song. It's just going to be G major for 2 turns of the strumming pattern, D6 for 2 turns, back to G major for another 2 turns, and then D6 again for 2 turns of the string pattern. Let's combine those elements now and play it all together. 1 and 2 and G major, down strum, ready, play. Down, down, up, pause, up, down, up, D6, go. Down, down, up, pause, up, down, G major, go. Down, down, up, pause, up, down, up, D6, go. Down, up, pause, up, down, up, pause, up, down, up. And now let's play the chord progression and the strumming pattern a little bit faster. 1, 2, G major, down strum, ready, play. Down, down, up, down, up, D6, go. Down, down, up, down, up, G major, go. Down, down, up, down, up, D6, go. Down, down, up, down, up, down, up. Now that we know the chords, the chord progression, and the strumming pattern, let's combine it with the lyrics and play through Buttercup. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4. Forget it, I'll do it sometime. I'm locked up on the button. Can't you do it sometime? Pushed it in too far. Fine, electrify mine. Electrify my golden tooth. Can't look at your eyes without sparking some. Electrify my heart, electrify my heart, Now Now, if you want to play through the rest of the song, then check out my ukulele cover for Buttercup. And that's You Play Buttercup by Jack Stauber. Thank you so much for checking out this tutorial, and I hope it brings you success in learning how to play the ukulele. Also, I want to thank Leolani Kaululau and Chance Wagonfield for supporting me on Patreon, which allows me to continue creating ukulele content like this tutorial. Again, don't forget to subscribe, to consider joining the U Crew on my Patreon page, and to check out this next tutorial so you can keep practicing and keep playing because you can uke.